And good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. P with Mr. P Explores. Today we find ourselves in Wellington, Ohio, taking a hike down the Lorain and West Virginia tracks, unused anymore, totally decommissioned, but down these tracks we are in search of an old trestle that goes over the Black River. Caught it on Google Earth, thought we'd take a look today, so come along with us down the trail. Let's hike down the rails and see what we can find. Follow along. All throughout this area you can see old railroad ties that have been tossed to the side. No way of knowing how long these ties have been here. Most of them are rotted all the way through. Most likely been here longer than I've been alive. But the stretch of rail is actually in pretty good shape considering. Estimation, 1970 this closed, 1969. It's in pretty good shape, all things considered. You can see this line has not been used for a very long time. There are trees, logs, branches down over it. In some places the actual ground is up over the ties and up over the rails. No trains have been through here. Not sure when the closing date was, but if it goes by the date of the trestle in Lorain, up in Sheffield, the old trestle up there, it closed in 1969. And coming along the tracks here as we near the bridge are these benches, just sitting here on the side of the rail line. No idea what these were here for, or if these were part of the railroad or added later. It would be pretty cool to sit here and watch trains come through. But this line has been closed for a very long time, so who only knows why these benches are here. Onward to the bridge. And down there we have the bridge on the Lorain and West Virginia line. But first we're going to take a little pit stop here. An area that looks particularly creepy. Not sure what's over here. Old structures covered with plastic bags. Every now and again you come across some pretty creepy things when you're out exploring, but that's part of the game. I had to guess, the local kids probably use this as a drinking hideout. It's seen better days though, for sure. fenced-in property of some kind back here. Quite an old farm. I have a feeling this structure used to be a lot bigger. And who knows how long it's been back here. This could have been back here for a couple of decades, rotting away. Does not change the fact that it is extremely creepy. Especially to hear the bags and the tarps rippling in the wind. Decidedly creepy sound. Railroad tie. And let's go head back and check out our bridge. That's what we came all the way for. Let's walk out there and see what there is to see. If I had to wager, this is the foundation of possibly a water tower. And this area before the bridge here could have been a cooling off spot. Water up your engine before you head over the bridge and further north on to Oberlin. If anybody knows, please chime in. Let us know what this is. Train experts, historians, what is this? And that's going to wrap it up for Mr. P here as we travel back to the car to hop back in and travel back home. Hope you enjoyed the trip down to this trestle. Pretty cool bridge and surrounding area. It's Mr. P, as always, reminding you to keep on exploring wherever you may go and whatever you may find. Document it and share it with the world.